Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of shoe repair with a product that's been making waves in the market.
Get ready to meet the Shoe Fix Shoe Glue, instant professional-grade shoe repair glue. If you're tired of your favorite shoes falling apart, this might just be the solution you've been searching for.
Let's jump right in.
Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me tell you why this product stands out. This isn't your ordinary glue. It's the best glue for rubber available in the market today.
Whether you're dealing with leather, wood, faux leather, fabric, or even plastic, this Shoe Fix glue has got you covered.
Picture this. You're out on the town, strutting your stuff in your favorite pair of heels, when suddenly disaster strikes.
The sole starts to separate, threatening to ruin your night.
But fear not.
With Shoe Fix shoe glue, you can quickly and easily repair your shoes on the go. Now, let's talk about what sets this glue apart from the rest. Unlike traditional super glues that dry rigid and take ages to cure, Shoe Fix glue dries clear, flexible, and fast. Within seconds, you'll have a strong, durable bond that can withstand whatever life throws your way.
Whether you're repairing boots, athletic shoes, dress shoes, or even handbags, Shoe Fix glue is the ultimate solution.
Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go repairs, whether you're traveling, hiking, or just going about your daily routine. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to use. Simply apply a small amount of Shoe Fix glue to the area in need of repair, press the pieces together, and voila! You're good to go.
It's that simple. So, if you're tired of constantly replacing your favorite shoes or paying hefty repair bills, do yourself a favor and grab a bottle of Shoe Fix shoe glue today. Trust me, your feet will thank you. That's all for today, folks.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.
Until next time, happy repairing.